So this is my second video to talk about unforgettable moment. I remember the day vividly. It was a warm summer evening in 2018, and my friends and I decided to go on a spontaneous road trip. We drove through winding roads, singing along to our favorite songs and taking the stunning scenery. As we reached the top of a hill, we witnessed the most beautiful sunset I have ever seen. The sky was so blend of orange, pink, and purple, and the sun looked like it was so melting into the horizon. Pretty cool, right? We all got out of the car and stood in a way, taking pictures and making memories that we would never forget. So that's my unforgettable moment.